It's your boy Adriel.
It's your boy, dude.
We dropping another banger, you know what I'm saying? Tell him about it.
I ain't gonna lie. That shit kind of fire. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna watch it, you know what I'm saying? Well, so pretty much what we did, we went to Westgate, and we pretty much like, we had the fake water bottle, and we just act like we sneezing on people. And we got some good reactions, I ain't gonna lie.
It's water.
It's water. When you say toilet water, it's toilet water.
I need a napkin though.
Watch out, bro.
Yeah,
Woo!
napkin, nigga.
Woo, man. You try to, bro. Nigga try to rip my beater off, bro. Woo!
Yeah, I need a napkin, bro. Come on, nigga.
I'll run, bro. Chill out, bro.
Oh, but my arms hurt. Hurry up.
Chill out before I punch you in the fucking hamstring, bitch.
I'll really grab you. Alright, you see. Hold on. Alright, let's get the intro.
Alright, bro. Alright. The head right there, bro.
Alright, for sure.
Alright.
Nigga wanna beat on me and stuff.
Alright, like, comment, subscribe.
He mad cause I'm breaking this shit.
Like, comment, subscribe. Ooh!
Nigga,
Bro,
just say the intro.
He trying to hit me. Like, comment. Ah!
Just say the intro, nigga.
Bro, stop trying to touch me.
Bro, just say the intro, nigga.
I'll beat your ass on camera.
Nigga, stop trying to touch me. Nigga, gay and shit, nigga. Come.
Ah!
Pussy ass. Need a napkin.
Bro, like, comment, subscribe, and be on the lookout for another video, bro.
A few moments later. One.
I kinda like those. Where'd you get those from? Like, what section you get those from?
No, English.
Oh, English? Those shoes, like, where? Like, where'd you get them? No, like, where you find those? Like, on what shelf? Like, over there. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, my fault. I'm behind biology. My apologies, sir. My bad. I apologize. Oh, shit.
Yo. You hear me? Motherfucker. I'm try to OD this. My bad. I got allergies.
Right.
You good?
Huh?
My fault.
You're fine.
What?
Yeah, like, did I get you?
A little bit, yeah.
My fault.
You're fine.
Okay. Food good? Can I get some food? No type of food? I can't get no food.
I didn't buy it.
Oh, I'm starving though. I can't get
You're
nothing.
fine.
I can't get none. Can't get none. Really? Goddamn. My bad. I get you again?
Yes.
Some bots.
Hi, Miss Parker.
Hi, boy.
Give me get right. I try to raise it up though. It's her mama? Oh, it's her mama. Come on, go get right. It's kind of feeling weird. Nigga, we just following her behind her and shit. But. Oh shit! Oh, my fault. My apologies. Excuse me. I didn't mean to sneeze on you. Bro, she's too thick for me, bro. She's acting like she's acting bougie and shit off some thick shit, bro. I sneeze on her. She can't even turn around, bro. Oh shit. My fault, sir. My apology. You need a napkin or something? I can help you out if you need. It's okay?
Sure.
All right, my apology. Sorry.
He got heart attack.
Huh?
He got heart attack.
You got a heart attack.
Yeah, he's.
Oh shit! Are you okay, sir?
What you did that?
No, I just have allergies, and I was yeah.
Close to him.
No, I was just walking.
Close to him.
No, hey. Hey.
Don't do it to me.
You got me. What? Hey. Chat. The fuck? I told him it's a prank, bro. Watch how gas it up. You're right. Do you hate me now? You hate me now?
What do you want?
You hate me now?
What do you want? Did I talk to
I'm
you?
sorry.
It's okay. Sorry.
You don't gotta hate me.
Go ahead. Go
I
ahead.
don't want you to hate me.
Yes,
Is it because I'm black? I'm just joking. It's a video. It's for a video. It's just water, sir. It's just water.
Okay.
It's for a video. Amy. Fuck it. This point.
Oh!
My bad, bro. You good?
That's okay.
My bad. Straight? Officer. Yeah.
Damn!
Good? Just sneeze on that nigga again.
Few moments later.
Let's see. I don't know. My bad. You good? My bad.
It's okay.
Nah, she's so kind. It's a prank. This is water. Feel me?
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Have a good day, though. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, I was like, he would just sneeze on me.
Give him. Oh! My bad, bro. I got these allergies and stuff like that. You feel me? So, my bad. You straight? Straight? You good? Oh shit! Oh! My fault. My fault. Nah. Alright, see what happened. I was coming to talk to her, but I got nervous. Yeah. I can't talk to her, but I got nervous. It's me. But y'all look good. Y'all have a good one.
This is their first time trying it. Yeah.
I gotta sit down. Hold on. Cause I can smell it from all over there. I ain't gonna lie. So, oh fuck. Can you try it for me? Go ahead and try it. I ain't gonna lie. Let me try it. Try it.
Let us I was gonna take a picture.
My fault. Go do your picture. You feel me? I don't wanna be in your way. You feel me? Oh shit!
Damn!
Oh, damn! Alright, now me sneeze on your shit. Yeah, it's water. It was a freak. My bad, bro. I have little allergies and stuff like that.
Hey, we got some more use.
You good? You straight? Yeah. You straight? See, I try to keep going for y'all, but they caught on. Yeah, they did stuff. Fuck no that. So much things around right on his head. Right on his head. Hold on. If you walk in. Oh shit! Fuck you, bitch. What?
Damn!
Oh, why are you talking like that? What I do to you? Bro, I got allergies. Can you like chill? I'm outside. It's pollen. It's trees.
Don't do that.
It's trees. Like I just got allergies, bro. I apologize though. You have a good one though. Oh my god.